generate some more ideas on this tattva, then you will start opening up your grey cells. Rather than foolishly following, you start activating and opening up your grey cells. Then you will see, that is a great idea. That is how we trigger all the grey cells one by one, flash of idea. And that flash of idea is called as intuition. All that intuition is already there, encapsulated inside your grey cells. You already have fresh ideas. Once one or two ideas you open out in your brains, that idea, you will become a kind of a Nobel Prize winner. How do you think people got Nobel Prize? Because they were able to intuit. They are going to develop on one base idea. Then they start going into other areas, unexplored frontiers of the brain. So one ordinary thought, they diverted it into different thoughts, and one or two or a bundle of thoughts brought in fresh ideas. That is how all these people brought out noble and novel ideas. As a meditator, you will also start intuiting noble and novel ideas. So you will probably also get an idea, and that is how you will become a literary giant, if not a scientific giant. So that's how. Even for me, that's how it happened. So all these ideas, even this tattvas, what we call it as a Nimishopanishad, I attribute it to the Divine Mother, Nimishamba. So I called it Nimishopanishad. Like you have Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad. You have so many Upanishads. So I brought out Nimishopanishads. So this is how it came. You are eligible. In fact, once you tap your grey cells inside you, you will also come out with fresh new inputs. I would want you to give fresh inputs from your mental energy. How do you look? All those Nobel Prize winners, right from Dr. Isaac Newton, one principle, you start developing and enlarging an envelope from one principle. You go on, corollary of that same idea. That is how you intuit. That is what I am telling you. You sit Monday, Tuesday, sit nothing. You don't do anything. Just keep thinking. Then Wednesday, you start focusing. Thursday, you become seriously focusing. Friday, you will hit the nail on the head. You chart out. That is how we start writing diaries. And these diaries will give fantastic ideas. These are the diaries what I wrote when I meditated. And these ideas came out in a book form. I decided, let me publish it in a book form. So if you look at all my books, all the articles, whatever I have written, all those articles, when you read it, you will understand. So that is why I have written it very lightly. not to force you, but to sit and contemplate. So when you sit and read that, I'm sure 90% have not read it fully. From front to back, you have not read it. And almost 30% of you have not even assimilated. If you assimilate it, you will understand, because everything is how today I am discoursing you is only because of the ideas what Mother is giving me. And whatever Mother has given to me, all those things I have written it in the form of articles, I have written it in the form, I have brought it out in the form of a book, and now also the final book is yet to be completed, and that final book is about to be completed. I am still waiting from 1 year. The final part of the book is yet to be finished. So whenever I get an intuition, I write those chapters. It has already crossed 400, 500 pages. I don't know whether those 400, 500 pages it has to be bought in 1 volume, 2 volumes or 3 volumes. I don't know. This is going on from 2 years. See, these are all the points. See, one point on Tattva 20 is what, when you sit and understand, slowly Monday, Tuesday, you will start understanding. So 1 to 36 tattvas I have already given you. What once I write and give it to you, when you concentrate on it, you will understand, because all these tattvas, Nimishopanishad, is for you to unblossom, open up, to make your consciousness to bloom. And that blooming part is called as enlightenment. Today, you are still in the bud stage. Once you start unfurling the knowledge inside you, then you will start blooming, and that blooming is called as enlightenment. This is what it is all about. You. That is what Tattva 20 is up to. You understand. From 1 to Tattva 20 and 1 to 36, you will start understanding. So, Monday, Tuesday, relax, or you can pick up one of those tattvas just on one thing. You just sit and contemplate 15 minutes, not more than 15 minutes. Then that will open up some new thoughts in you. And new thoughts is a blossoming thought. I am giving you that. So that new thought will give you further blossoming. Initially you will feel, oh no, what is there? For a period of time you will understand. Correct. That is how Vedas are formed. Vedas were formed. Upanishads, the sum total of all the Vedas, we call it as Upanishads. You open up. You open up. You will understand. So this new year, you will start opening from today. Beginning of the new year. What a wonderful thing to do. You have to force yourself with a direction. That direction, 15 minutes. Monday, Tuesday you are free, don't worry. Wednesday, Thursday, 15 minutes. Friday, Saturday, half an hour. Open up anything and jot it down. Note it down. It may look silly for you, but you will understand there will be a new thought coming from you, and you will become a spiritual scientist over a period of time. Don't forget that. So you want 10 million cells of your brain, or you want 100 billion cells of your brain. You want 10 million? Right now you are working on the 10 million capacity. Now I am going to make you focus to 100 billion gray cells. It is only this 100 billion gray cells you will become an Albert Einstein, or you will become an Upanishadic saint. Then you will understand, because you will start jotting it down. This is what I jotted it out. I started jotting it down, whatever I used to intuit. And whatever I have intuited, I have given it, because a small idea gives you a new beginning for so many people. That is the beauty of intuition. You just jot it down. That is the beauty of it.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.